Drizzle with syrup, a sweet dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English as sweet as syrup. Today, we're going to explore a deliciously descriptive phrase that you might come across in recipes, menus, or even in everyday English conversations. Drizzle with syrup. Stick with us to uncover the meaning, usage, and some fun examples to help you understand how to use this phrase in your daily English. Let's get started. When we say, drizzle with syrup, we're talking about a method of adding syrup to food. But it's not just about pouring syrup. It's about doing it in a thin stream or small drops to lightly coat the surface. Imagine rain falling lightly and softly. That's similar to how you would drizzle syrup over pancakes, waffles, or even ice cream. The key here is the gentleness and precision of the action, aiming to enhance flavor without overwhelming the dish. Let's dissect the phrase for a better understanding. Drizzle. This verb describes the action of pouring a liquid in a very thin stream or drops. It implies control and delicacy, ensuring that the liquid lightly covers the food. With, this preposition indicates that syrup is being used in the action. Syrup. A thick, sweet liquid that comes in many varieties, such as maple, chocolate, or fruit syrup. It's often used to add sweetness and moisture to dishes. Now that we know what the phrase means, let's see it in action. For a perfect breakfast treat, drizzle your pancakes with maple syrup and enjoy the sweet flavors. To finish off the dessert, drizzle it with chocolate syrup for an extra touch of sweetness. A light drizzle of honey syrup over your yogurt can transform it into a delightful snack. These examples show how you can use the phrase to describe the action of adding syrup in various culinary contexts. And there you have it. Drizzle with syrup is a phrase that adds flavor not just to our food but to our language, describing a precise, gentle way of adding sweetness to dishes. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase in your English conversations, especially when talking about food. Don't forget to practice using it the next time you're describing a meal or a recipe. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon for more fun and educational English lessons. Happy learning, and remember, a little drizzle of syrup makes everything better.